This week we are going to be doing very similar to last week. We are going to be looking at some more adjacent consonants. So that's two consonants that are next to each other in a word but still make separate sounds. They don't become one sound. The only difference is this week we're putting them at the beginning of our words. So we're going to be looking at CCVC words. So for today, you are going to need good listening ears and to make sure the sound is on. You're going to need a notebook or some paper. You're going to need a pencil to do your writing and then something to mark with at the end. And just like every single session, we are going to start with our tricky words. You have got 3 words which we've gone through before: said, like, and have. You have 1 minute to write these words as many times as you can. Your 1 minute starts now. Go. Okay, right. Said as many times. Like, have. That's halfway through. Keep going. How many more times can you get these 3 words written down? Maybe you've got a special way of remembering these silly words, like silly ants in dresses. Ten seconds left. And stop there. Right, count up. How many times have you written these 3 words? Is it more than 5? Is it more than 10? Is it more than 15? Is it more than last week? That's the important bit. Is it more than last week? Okay, now, just like last week, I'm going to have 4 words on the board, one at a time. I'm going to do the sound buttons for these words, and I want you to do the robot arms at home and do the sounds that go with it. Okay, our first word is here. Get your robot arms ready. We have got S, T, O, P. Stop. Stop what you are doing. Stop at the red light. Can you think of a sentence with the word stop in it? Stop. Our next word. Robot arms ready? Let's go. From. The present was from my mum. I am from Portsmouth. From. Can you say a sentence with the word from? Our next word, robot arms ready. 1, 2, 3. S, P, O, T. Spot. Can you spot the odd one out? There was a spot of dirt on the white cloth. Can you think of a sentence with the word spot? And the last one that we're going to do with our robot arms. Ready? 1, 2, 3. F, R, O, G. frog. The frog was green. The frog jumped into the pond. What sentence can you think of with the word frog? Okay, now today I think I've actually got 4 pictures instead of 3. I'm sure you'll do just as well. Okay, our first word, we've just done this one. The first word is frog. F-R-O-G. Can you write the word frog? Okay. The next word is the word step. S-T-E-P. Step. Have a go at writing the word step. The next one is the word grab. G-R-A-B. Grab. Have a go at writing the word grab. And the last one is a little bit tricky, so make sure you're careful when you write it. It's the word track. T-R-A-K. Oh, I've done a line there instead of dots. I wonder if you know why. Track. Have a go at writing the word track. Okay. With your marking pen, let's see if we got them right. Our first word was frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Our second word was step. S-T-E-P. Our third word was grab. G-R-A-B. And our last one, which was a little bit harder, was track. T-R-A-K. And remember that C and K are a digraph, so 2 letters that make the same sound. Okay. We're going to have a go at some of our dictated sentences now, so you do need to make sure you've got the pencil ready. Make sure you're listening. Now, if I go too fast, which I know I sometimes do, pause the video, rewind it, and listen to it again. Number 1. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Number 2. Birds flap their wings. Birds flap their wings. Number 3. She had a big grin on her face. She had a big grin on her face. Number 4. Don't slam the door. Don't slam the door. And number 5. The car sped off. The car sped off. Remember, you can go back and rewind if you missed any. Now, get your marking pen ready to do the answers. Okay, the first sentence, we've got a capital C at the beginning because it's the beginning of our sentence. Clap, clap. And we've got a full stop at the end. Make sure you've got a capital letter and a full stop, please. On the second sentence, we have a capital B. The word that we're looking for in the sentence is flap. Flap. And we have a full stop at the end. On the third sentence, we have a capital S at the beginning of our sentence. The word that we were looking for is grin. Grin. And we have a full stop at the end. Number 4, we have a capital D for don't. Our special word is slam. Slam. We have a full stop at the end. Some of you might have put an exclamation mark for that one, and that's fine too. And the last one, number 5, capital T at the beginning of our sentence. Our special word was sped. Sped. And I've got an exclamation mark, but you could have a full stop, up to you. Okay. Add up your scores, including the capital letters and full stops. And make a note to see if tomorrow you manage to get more than you got today. Well done. We will be back tomorrow with some more CCVC words, just some different ones from today. Well done for trying hard today. Make sure you practice these words, and maybe you could have a little look in some books at home, or maybe even some games, to see if there are any words that are CCVC. Right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.